What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to put a new screen in one of these little aluminum frames. It's got this type of screen, and essentially this is like some form of aluminum window screen. A new spline, screen tool, and utility knife. Looks like there's a actual material that you need for installation. So I'm going to get the material and get back to you. I just stick a utility knife in here like this. The screen kind of fell out on its own. It was all torn along the edges. So I just pulled it out. Now I have an air knot. If you have a halfway decent air hose, air compressor, you should be able to do that. The screen, the slot right here, which is where all the filth and debris was, along with the spline it's called, is now relatively clean. This is the spline. It's the perfect size to go in the slot. Here it is. I got this at Walmart. Screen spline, it says. It's black. I don't think the color makes a difference. They have nicer tools than this, but anyways, it probably works fine. So that's how you do a screen installation. Most of the time the outer frame is aluminum and it's really weak and fragile, so you have to be careful not to break it, pull it apart, because who knows how those are manufactured. Maybe I'll find out later and I'll show you guys, but for the time being I just know how to put the screen in. So when you're rolling with this little roller, you got to be careful not to push too hard on that screen when you use the first. This side is like it's rounded and smooth, and this is just for pushing in the actual screen into the little slot that was there. And then the other side has like a pocket in it. It's cupped like this, and as it rolls, it pushes that screen down in, you know, because the screen is round, so it pushes it down like this so it doesn't cut the screen, or the material that's used, the spline. So I only paid a couple bucks each, like $4 for this, $4 for that, something like that. And then the screen comes in this giant roll, and this thing was probably, I don't know, 15 bucks when I got it, but it's probably one of the more useful things that you can buy and keep around. So, little word of advice. Well, I don't have the gold piece, but I took my spline with me that was on it that I pulled out, because when you go to the store, you just never know what you're looking at unless you have something to compare it to. So same with auto parts and stuff like that too. But that's how you put screen in a window. Hope that helps you.